about the world champion, and she's our beautiful model for today. And today I'm kind of dressed up as a peasant as a green photoshoot. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the final result. Alright, so to start off, we're going to start off with some of Brianna's awesome dancing, of course. And I'm using the Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette. I'm first starting off with the color Cool Top, and this is the color just to kind of transition and to put all over her eyelid itself. And then going into Mocha, this is the beautiful, beautiful soft brown, and I'm just blending that out really well. I'm then taking the color Spice and I'm putting that on the outer V of her eye, and I'm making sure to blend this all out as well. Then taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black Eyeliner, I'm using this with a Tarte eyeliner brush, and I'm applying this to her lash line. I'm then going in with the Urban Decay Silver Eyeliner, and I'm just applying this over the eyeliner that I did right now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, just right over top to give that nice glam. Applying some Ardell Lashes here, and I'm just putting them in place, that way they add some extra drama. Wanted more of a pop, so I went in with the Makeupforever Metallic Silver color in this cream palette. Unfortunately, it didn't record, but this is what I use, and I just went right over top the silver liner. And then going right underneath her lower lash line, I'm taking the 12P palette by Morphe, and I'm taking the red. I wanted a nice pop of red to match the lipstick that I'm going to be applying, so I put this right underneath her lower lash line, and I then just smoked it out. Going in with the TooFaced Pink Leopard bronzer, I applied this all over her skin because it gives a beautiful, beautiful glow. I wanted to put it all over her face, that way she can glow beautifully. And then I'm just highlighting certain areas of her face and her eyes with the Tarte Highlighter. And I'm just using a small Morphe brush and then a bigger fan brush to apply the highlighter. And of course some of her awesome dance moves. Going in with the Smashbox Red Man-eater Liquid Lipstick. I love this color so much, and it literally stays on all day, so it's one of my favorites. And I'm just applying that onto her lips. Then moving forward, I'm using the Morphe Brow Palette, filling in her brows, just the sparse areas. And to finish off the look, we're using the Tatcha Dewey Mist. On to hair now. I'm just combing it out with a brush, just making sure there are no knots all throughout. She has beautiful, beautiful hair, so I'm just combing it out as usual. And then I wanted to just separate the hair so that I can work in parts. So I'm separating part of the hair in front just so that I can swoop it back later. So I'm just using a comb and kind of separating some of the hair. That part we'll work with later. For now, I'm going to just divide the hair in half, that way I can create two braids, which I will then intertwine later on. And then I'm just clipping away the lower half of the hair to work on later. I'm then creating a lace braid. So to do so, it's pretty much like a French braid. The only difference is you're only going to attach hair from one side, not from both as you would a regular braid. So as you can see here, I'm only attaching more hair from the right side, and then I'm creating a regular braid. So the same process as you would do for French braid, but only attaching more hair from one side instead of from both. And I'm just repeating this process that way you can see what I've done here. So again, I'm just going all the way down. And I wanted this only on one side of her head, so that's why I'm bringing it further towards her right side. I'm then doing the same to the other side of the hair, the strand that we did put away for later. I'm bringing the braid a little further up because I do want to intertwine them, so that's why the braid is a little thinner, and I'm bringing it upward as you can see here. I'm then intertwining the braids and just putting them throughout each other and kind of just pinning it in place using bobby pins. Then for the front part of the hair, I just wanted to softly sweep it back. So I'm just combing through, that way it's nice and even. And then I'm just swooping it back and kind of pinning it right into the braid as well. That way everything is flowing really beautifully. So I'm just twisting the last strand of hair right here, and I'm putting it inside, that way there are no hairs just sticking out, and just sticking it in. Now that we're done with the hair, we're moving on to the fluff that I made as well. This is the part where Brianna kind of turns into like a little present. I made this beautiful puff out of some horsehair that I did find. I want to keep it nice and festive, so I just kind of bunched it up and created like a little style out of it. And I'm now applying it to Brianna's bathing suit, that way it can stay nice in place and securing it with safety pins all throughout. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of pinning it in place, that way it just stays securely and she's able to model nicely with it and not have to worry about holding it in place. So we're just checking, and yes, I do need a few more pins. I kind of just created this on her because I wanted to fit her body well. So I'm just going, I'm just looking as I go along and kind of just applying it to go along with her particular shape. So as I went downward, I didn't want to create it so poofy, but I did want it to kind of cover and just look like one nice poof all together. So this is what I created, and at the end I just kind of just pinned it together, and this way it'll stay nice and secure. This is the end result. These are the final images photographed by Marcus Isaac Photography. To see more images, please check out his Instagram, as he does have them posted, and mine as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe below and hit the notification bell, that way you can see when I'm creating new work. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye!